Hey everyone, the Portrait here. Hope you are all doing well. So this was an old video that I found. It was from a stream I did a long time ago, and it was me tweaking my patrons' artworks. And as you can see, this artist, her name is Barbara, I believe, is already quite experienced, right? But she was having difficulty capture the likeness to the degree that she wanted. On the left is the photo reference. So in the drawing, you can see a lot of things are done very well. The color is good, the range of value is good. So it's really about some small proportional and detail adjustments. So I made a copy of the drawing so you can see the before and after. I made the adjustments in Photoshop. So the first thing I did is tweaking the shape of the hair. I mean, there were some very minor adjustments to the shape of the face, but for this drawing, the issue is mostly about the hair and the shape of the eyes. Even their placement is pretty good. It's just that the shape is a little off. This was on live stream, so I was doing things fairly fast. Because I had a bunch of these queued up. Hopefully you can see a difference with just some very minor tweaks. And I think at the end of this stream, I talked about composition and how some clothing can be added to balance out against the portrait and the hair, which are very heavy elements in the drawing. But honestly, comparing original drawing and the tweaked version, I really didn't make that much of a change. And I hope you can see it just takes very tiny adjustments to make a big difference. So my point was, she was already pretty much at this level. She just have to be more careful with some of the small adjustments, especially like the shape of the eyes. That's like one of the most important thing. And this one was particularly easy because I didn't have to tweak the value too much. And before I left the stream, I did a quick sketch of a girl. It's always a lot of fun just drawing from your imagination. And I really like the loose style where each line becomes a lot more important. Now if you have a drawing you want me to look at, feel free to email to theportraitcontest@gmail.com. If you are using a reference image, attach that as well, but you don't have to. It doesn't matter if you're relatively new or fairly advanced. It doesn't matter if it's black and white or a color drawing. Only requirement is that you are a subscriber. And I'll probably do a live stream in a similar manner. Priority goes towards my patrons, but with enough time, I will try to get to everyone's submissions. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers!